In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Google Calendar to Notion. So at first, just come to your Notion.com or just go to your Notion app. Then just open up any of your workspace. And for example, we want to link Google Calendar over here in this workspace. For that, what you need to do is at first, just go to your browser and go to google.com. In here, just type Indify and search. And the first link you'll find is from indify.com. It is a Notion widget website. Just go inside it. And after you're in here, make sure to log in. And after you have successfully logged in, it's going to bring you to your dashboard. And here you can scroll down and under Explore Widgets, you're going to find Google Calendar somewhere. Just find it and click on Create Widget. Then just give it some name. I'm going to just name it Calendar and click on Continue. Then just wait, it's gonna generate the widget for you. Just give it some time. Then as you can see, you can sign in with Google to link your calendar in here. So just go ahead and link your account to Google. And after you have successfully logged in with your Google account, you'll see your calendar over here. As you can see, this is my calendar and this is all the details over here. I can do it by month view. I can do it by day view. I can do it by agenda, whatever I want over here. I'm gonna do it by, let's say, month view. And I can select the time and everything. Some of the things are locked because I need to update to the plate plan of Indify to use those. And if your week starts at Monday, you can select that from here. You can hide view selector. You can show recurring events. And you can set the color and everything as well. So let's say, for example, I like purplish pink. I can also put that over here. I can use transparent background. I can change other colors as well. And after I'm okay with the design, what I can do is from here, just copy the link and paste in Notion. So just click on this to copy the link. As you can see, the link has been copied to your clipboard. Then just go to your Notion dashboard, rather your Notion workspace. In here, type /embed. And you'll find an embed command. Just select this. It's going to allow you to paste link. Just paste the link over here. Then just click on embed link. Then just give it some time. It's going to show the calendar over here. It's fetching it right now. As you can see, it's properly fetched. You can then just expand it however you like. And it's going to be here. And basically, that is how to connect Google Calendar to Notion. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.